Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy. Today we are making kids special recipe with less ingredients, yummy in taste. Take a pan, water 1 cup, sugar 4 tablespoon, butter 2 tablespoon, salt half tablespoon. Mix until butter melts. Now add all-purpose flour 1 cup. Mix everything. Off the flame. Now add egg 1. Mix everything. Make fine dough. Dough is ready. Transfer to a paper bag. Oil for frying. Fry on medium heat until changes color. Meanwhile, powder sugar, cinnamon powder on top. Mix everything. Now it's ready. Perfect color. Dip in powder and cinnamon powder. Now it's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.